What do I think of having a daily profit goal? I think it's a great idea, and especially if your aspiration is to be a day trader. If your desire is to be more of a swing trader, then maybe it's not going to be a daily goal, but more of a weekly goal or a monthly goal, whatever. But the key with your daily profit goal or your weekly or monthly is it should be more about being realistic and less about being challenging. This is just my personal opinion. If you have no track record of making consistent daily gains, then you shouldn't set a goal to make $500 per day. I swear to God, that's the most common thing I hear when I talk to new guys. I say, well, what's your goal? And they say, I'd like to be able to make $500 a day. I say, well, have you ever made $500 a day in the market? And they say, nope. And it's like, okay, well, let's try and start with a lower number that's actually more realistic. So you got to set a goal based on your track record. That's step one. So start small, work your way up. Personally, my goal is to make $65 per day. And I'm not reaching this goal consistently enough yet. I reach this goal about 40 to 50% of the time, 2 to 3 days per week. And I'm not going to raise my goal until I can make $65 per day every day for 60 days straight on average. And the on average is important to note. I think you should be fine with accepting a losing day here and there. The key is what does your daily profit look like averaged over a week. So for instance, if you make $500 Monday through Thursday, but then you lose $100 on Friday, you still made $400 on the week and averaged an $80 daily gain each day of the week. So in that scenario, I would have reached my goal. Even though I didn't make my $65 on Friday, I still averaged $80 per day on the week, and that's good. I think you focus on the $80 daily gain per average on the week, not the annoyance you have from failing to go green 5 out of 5 days. You got to accept the fact that you're going to have winning days, you're going to have losing days. Ideally, we want to have a winning day every day, but when it doesn't happen, we need to look at the course of the week and average it out and see how did we do. I came close to reaching my goal of 60 days straight actually in September and October, but I was only able to average $51 per day, which was an improvement over July and August, but still not where I needed to be, and I kind of felt myself pressing to start this month of November, to be honest with you, so I just kind of had to remind myself just today to kind of stay steady, focus on those small accomplishments, and they will add up. And again, for me, I'm trying to do it for 60 days straight. I just like judging myself in 2-month increments. So like I compare my September, October average daily gain to my August, July. I compare August, July to June, May, etc.